Hello, everybody. Um, so let me show you all this. Okay, so nutrition and by Mackenzie Mullins. Okay, welcome everybody. My name is Mackenzie Mullins. I'm 23 years old. I'm a second year sophomore at EKU and I'm a pre-child and family studies major. I have a beautiful family. I'm a wife and a bonus mom to two beautiful girls, Macy and Chloe. I am also the eldest of four children, so I come from a really large family, and I grew up with a lot of kids in my family. So this career path is pretty fitting for me because I love kids and I love people. So um, I think knowledge is power, and nobody can ever take that away from you. So that's one of the major reasons why I want to educate young children because knowledge is power. Okay. All right. Have y'all ever felt like this kid? I know I have. I guarantee you all of us have been there and have wanted a sweet treat. So, how do I get my child to eat more vegetables? And the answer to that is, the answer to that is you're going to have to be a good role model and eat vegetables in front of your children. You're going to have to be persistent in trying to introduce the vegetables within their food that they already like if they like soup. You could do like broccoli soup, um, broccoli cheddar soup, stuff like that. Praise your children for when they do eat vegetables and let your child even cook with you and incorporate these veggies that they're going to eat into their own meal. Make them feel like a part of their nutrition in their meal. Get them involved in that. Offer vegetables as snacks, celery and peanut butter. I know a lot of kids like that. Go for a wide variety of color, taste, and make it fun. Incorporate veggies into your meal in other ways, such as you could puree it, make them a smoothie. I know my aunt does that for her kids. That's how she gets her kids to eat vegetables. And you can always go to How to Get Children to Eat Vegetables at Children's Health, children's.com. And okay, yeah. I gotta show y'all this screen. I'm sorry. Okay. How do I know my children is getting enough nutrition? Definitely pay attention to your child's food choices. What food groups are they eating? Typically, children eat very little portions compared to adult portions. They have smaller stomachs than us, obviously. Try to offer all the food groups in your child's diet. Make it colorful if you can. Spaghetti, broccoli, macaroni, just stuff that's colorful. Get all those food groups in there. And then be a good role model for your children and eat a variety of different food groups. If your child is growing, then you know they are getting enough nutrition. Make sure you pay attention to their growth. You can go to healthychildren.org to find out more information. Okay, how do I get children to eat right foods? Plan their meals in advance, meal prep, give them healthy options, schedule meals and snacks, get them on a routine, make one meal for everybody, make it a colorful meal for everybody, introduce new foods, make food fun. Also, I did not put this on here, but eat at the dinner table together. Um, add a little sweetness, make the food fun, add a little sweetness, such as carrots with brown sugar, um, rice, broccoli. You could do like a hibachi. Make breakfast count with whole grains and fiber. Allow junk food as treats in moderation. Be creative. And again, down here, I don't know if you can see it, be a role model and eat as healthy as you can. So, 28 healthy, kid-friendly snack recipes that you can incorporate. I researched this, and these were the top things that I thought looked fun and exciting for children to eat. You can also go on that Mother Not Your Mother Word to Your Mother blog and find more. But the fruit pizza crackers, it is pretty much a mini fruit pizza on a graham cracker with like cream cheese, or you could do like vanilla pudding, whichever one you prefer, and then fruit of your choice, like uh, blueberries, kiwi, strawberries, pineapple, kiwi, whatever, um, grapes. Apple cookies are pretty much an apple sliced with like chocolate morsels, peanut butter. You make a cookie, like cut the apple in half, make slices, and make like a little cookie. With the toppings that you want, obviously healthier toppings. Um, chocolate dipped fruit cones. So you're going to dip a cone in chocolate or put it on the inside of the cone. Then you're going to stuff that with different fruits. So strawberries, apples, bananas, kiwi, um, just fruits that your child already like that you know, and then you could start incorporating fruits that you may not know if they like or not. Um, that's definitely an option. And then you could do healthy granola cups. Make you a little granola cup. You could put already pre-made granola bars and just put them in a like muffin pan and fill that with fruit of your choice, vanilla pudding. I've seen people do that. Vanilla pudding in the granola cup. And then fruit donuts. I thought this was really cute. They actually did take another apple, they sliced it, but then they put like cream cheese and they actually did put sprinkles on it, and it really did look like a donut. And I thought that was really cute. So, those are some healthier options, fun options that you can get your kids engaged in that are appealing to look at, really colorful and pretty, very appetizing. They're very kid friendly, and it wouldn't be hard to make these at all with a child of any age, really, with some assistance. So, that is the presentation, and I hope you all understand what I've been trying to say. Um, Recipes for children. I have a little bit more. I'm sorry, I switched slides on myself. As an expectant mother, what foods should I be eating? Eating a variety of food groups. Definitely, you should be eating a variety of food groups for an expectant mother to get all those nutrients, different nutrients from different foods into your body, your body to get to the baby. You're gonna do less added sugar, less saturated fats, less sodium, less salt, um, limited refined grains and starches, cookies and white bread. Try to stay away from them if you can. And then how much weight should I gain while I'm pregnant? You always ask your doctor for sure, 100% always ask your doctor. But usually, a woman who was an average weight before getting pregnant should gain 25 to 35 pounds after they get pregnant, and underweight women should gain about 28 to 40 pounds, and overweight women may need to gain only 15 to 25 pounds during pregnancy. Okay, what should a nursing mother eat? And that, to answer that question, is protein at least 2 to 3 times a day, such as fish, poultry, meat, eggs, dairy, beans, nuts, and seeds. 3 servings of veggies a day, 2 servings of fruit, whole grains, and drink plenty of water. Plenty of water. Obviously, you are not alone in this. You are definitely not alone in this, because I have 2 children of my own who suffer with nutrition and having a healthy diet. Even I struggle sometimes getting all my food groups in. So you're definitely not alone. Have you experienced this yourself? Yes, I have experienced the feeling of wondering if my children are eating healthy. I have two children, one whose body cannot process sugar correctly, and the other one who cannot have dairy. The process of finding this out was very tedious. We had to go to multiple doctors, test after test, doctor after doctor, and both my girls had to completely change their diets. I knew then that I would have to change my diet and be a good role model, watch what I eat because my girls watch everything that I do, obviously, because I am a role model to them. Um, and so I watched what I ate as well and made a lifestyle change for myself and my girls. So you're not alone. I'd like to share this quote because I know it's hard to eat healthy. I really do, and get good nutrition. So the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Just start doing it, and then once you start doing it, it becomes a habit. It becomes a routine. And I loved that quote, and that is by Walt Disney himself. So that's all, guys. I hope you all have a really good day. Let me know if you have any questions. I really enjoyed putting this presentation together for you all. Um, I have struggled myself with, you know, having a healthy diet, so I understand. But if you all have any questions or concerns, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you all. Have a good day. Bye.